So we're going back. I'm going down now. So we are surrounded with waters and small islands like that. And I've been told that this is the so-called Little Batanes. So nice. Ouch. Parang mas mahirap pababa kasi I am not wearing the proper footwear, but anyhow I'm cool. Katutuwad, nalaglag, gumulong, isang matanda, nalaglag sa bundok. Sabi picture. Hindi tayo naka-proper footgear eh. Magulong talaga tayo dito pag di tayo ingat. May pa ganun, wow. That's so beautiful. Oh, amazingly beautiful. Ate, sige. Lakad ka dyan. Mayroon akong beautiful view. Na. Pangit kasi ang slipper ko eh. Wala akong slipper. So, naghanap na ako ng slipper na kasya sa akin. Parang kanina to. So, mama yata to. Sapatos na ginunting. Oy. Pag walang ano to, bolbol, madulas. Baka mag-slide si ate. Anong tawag sa lugar na to, kuya?
Balagbag Island.
Ah, okay. So this is Balagbag Island, the so-called Little Batanes of Calaguas. I'm still here in Camarines Norte. I went to Calaguas Island and we just went island hopping, and this is the first island that we went. Ayan o.